I know I'm stingy with my money, and it's hard to get some from me, but you still love me anyway. Your mother seems to like me, but your father wants to fight me, but you still love me anyway. And I take you out on days, and I always show up late.
Jellyfish, 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 jellyfish. Take some jelly, take some fish. Look at that sandwich, delish. Just make sure you don't eat a real jellyfish, or you'll die! Jellyfish, 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 jellyfish. This world is full of compound words. Speak slower, bro, or you won't be hurt. If you talk quick, you might sound slick, but I also might think you just asked me to make you a real jellyfish sandwich. And you'll die! Jellyfish, 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 jellyfish. Hear the difference? Jellyfish, jellyfish. It's subtle, but it could save your life. Jellyfish, big ol' nasty fish. Jellyfish, 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 jellyfish.
I made this for you.